your ingredients. Peel 3 cloves of garlic, or you can use store-bought minced garlic. Smash the garlic. We used a garlic crusher. I picked fresh basil leaves from my family's garden. You could use basil leaves. Mince the basil. Drain the corn. Scoop out 2/3 cup of corn. Shred the zucchini. Measure 1 cup of zucchini and add the corn, garlic, and basil. Crack the egg. Add the salt and the pepper to the zucchini corn mixture. Add the egg. Mix the zucchini corn mixture. Add the chicken into a new bowl. Add 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese. Add 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Add the zucchini corn mixture to the chicken. Mix your ingredients together. Here are some tips for making a meatball. Shape the meatballs. Put the meatballs in the oven. Look what you made. Yum! You could put your meatballs with marinara sauce, Alfredo sauce, or pesto sauce.